Introduction. Your immune system is vital for preventing and fighting off diseases. This is especially important with the current coronavirus pandemic. Our lifestyles usually dictate the health of our immune system, and if you want to improve this vital component of your body, then you need to be prepared to make some difficult changes. Boosting your immune system starts by understanding what it does and how it works. We have a video on this that explains everything in a simple to understand way. Once you know how much your immune system protects you, it will be easier for you to make the changes that you need to make. Some things in life cause harm to your immune system, and if you indulge in these, then you need to stop. Smoking and drinking alcohol are high on the list here, which will probably not surprise you. But there are other things that you need to avoid as well that we cover in detail. The right diet will provide the nutrients and vitamins that your immune system needs to stay in tip-top condition and work hard for you. Changing your diet is a big step to take. But if you are eating the wrong things, then you need to do this for the sake of your immune system. There are supplements available that can provide essential vitamins and minerals that perhaps your diet cannot. We provide you with all of the information that you need to know about supplements in this training. Stress can negatively impact your immune system, and we have a whole video dedicated to how you can reduce the stress in your life. Exercising regularly and getting the right amount of sleep are also very important, and we cover this for you as well. Keeping your body clear of toxins is something else that will help your immune system, and we have some great detoxification techniques for you in this training. Finally, we explain why essential oils are beneficial for your immune system and the best ones to use.